How to disable safe mode on my cell phone. As we can see here, we have this safe mode enabled. If that's your case, in this video tutorial we're going to explain one of the easiest and fastest ways to disable this safe mode that appears here on our phone's screen. We're not going to delete anything, format it, or do anything like that. So what we're going to do is the following. Okay, what happens when we're in safe mode? It hides all download apps. As we can see here, these apps appear like this because they're download apps. Right now I don't have any download apps. But if you have WhatsApp, Facebook, all of that will appear hidden, just like it does here, and it gives us the option to enable it using the most important applications. Having said all that, then in order to remove this safe mode, what we're going to do is the following. Press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and select Restart. We're just going to do a restart, that's all we have to do. Restart our phone so that we can remove this safe mode. What happens if you can't remove this safe mode? That happens when, sometimes, we have the volume down button pressed down. Perhaps if the button is pressed too hard, too stiff, or too stuck, it's a problem with this button. The volume down button that activates safe mode. If the button is very dirty or stuck, what we have to do is disassemble it and perform maintenance on the button, and that should fix it. But if it just activated suddenly, a restart should solve this problem.